In the year 1901, a group of sponge divers descended beneath the waves near a remote island in Greece called Antikythera. What they discovered on the ocean floor would become one of the greatest archaeological mysteries in human history. At first, it looked like a shipwreck. Broken statues, rotting wood, ancient artifacts buried beneath the sea. But hidden among the debris was an object so advanced, so impossibly complex, that scientists would spend more than a century trying to understand it. A machine built over 2,000 years ago that looked like technology from the Renaissance, or even the modern age. A device capable of predicting eclipses, tracking planets, and calculating astronomical events with astonishing precision. Many now call it the world's first analog computer. This is the mystery of the Antikythera Mechanism. And the most unsettling part? We still don't fully understand who built it or why knowledge this advanced vanished for over 1,000 years. The discovery happened by accident. In the spring of 1900, sponge divers were forced to shelter from a storm near the island of Antikythera. While waiting for the weather to clear, one diver decided to explore beneath the surface. What he found shocked him. Scattered across the seafloor were enormous bronze statues, ancient pottery, jewelry, and human remains. At first, he reportedly believed he had discovered a graveyard. But what he had truly found was a Roman-era shipwreck dating back nearly 2,000 years. The wreck quickly attracted international attention. Greek authorities launched one of the earliest major underwater archaeological expeditions in history. Divers recovered treasures from the depths for months. Massive marble statues, glassware, coins, weapons, but among all these priceless artifacts, there was one object nobody understood. A corroded lump of bronze and wood, broken into fragments. At first glance, it appeared worthless. But hidden inside this corroded mass were gears. Dozens of them, intricate, precise, mechanical, and ancient. When researchers first examined the mechanism, they couldn't believe what they were seeing. Inside the fragments were tiny bronze gear wheels. This wasn't supposed to exist. According to accepted history, technology this advanced should not have appeared until at least 1,000 years later. Some scientists initially believed the object was a hoax. Others thought it had fallen into the wreck from a later time period. Because the idea that ancient Greeks could build something this sophisticated seemed impossible. But the evidence was undeniable. The mechanism was ancient. This device was built sometime between 150 and 100 BCE, an era before electricity, before modern machinery, before precision manufacturing. And yet, the Antikythera mechanism contained more than 30 bronze gears working together with extraordinary precision. Nothing remotely similar would appear again until medieval European astronomical clocks over 1,000 years later. It was as if history had skipped a chapter. As technology improved, scientists began scanning the fragments using X-rays and advanced imaging techniques. What they discovered was astonishing. The mechanism wasn't just a machine. It was an ancient astronomical calculator, a mechanical computer. When a user turned a small hand crank, the gears inside moved in perfect synchronization, tracking the movements of celestial bodies. The machine could predict solar eclipses, lunar eclipses, moon phases, and planetary movements with incredible accuracy. One dial tracked the Metonic cycle. Another predicted eclipses using the Saros cycle. This was not primitive technology. This was genius-level engineering. Someone in the ancient world built a functioning mechanical computer by hand. Over 2 millennia ago, so who created it? One theory connects it to Archimedes, famous for creating machines centuries ahead of his time. But perhaps the bigger mystery is why the knowledge disappeared. After the fall of the ancient Greek world, technology like this vanished completely. How does a civilization create mechanical computers and then lose the knowledge for over 1,000 years? The mechanism demonstrates what human intelligence was capable of over 2,000 years ago. It reminds us of what humanity once knew. Researchers believe there may still be missing components lost forever beneath the sea. The original may have been even more advanced. A message from the ancient world. A reminder that history is far stranger and far more mysterious than we often imagine. Do you believe this was an isolated invention? Comment your theories below. Subscribe for more mysteries and turn on notifications.